In this video, I will show you how to import Figma design into Base44 and create a working app or website. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. You can use the first link in the description to open Base44 and log into your account. To begin connecting Figma with Base44, click on the plus icon here. You'll find an option called Import from Figma. Click on it and then select Connect to Figma. After that, a permission window will appear. Go ahead and click on Allow Access. At the bottom of this window, you'll see the Figma email address you'll connect to with Base44. If you want to use a different account, you can click on Switch Accounts and select the correct one before continuing. Once everything looks good, click on Allow Access. Now your Figma account is successfully connected to Base44 and you're ready to start importing your designs directly. After connecting Figma to Base44, you should see the import screen. In case it doesn't appear, you can simply click on the plus icon again, select Import from Figma, and it will open the same screen for you. Now the next step is to import your Figma design using its URL. So I'll switch over to Figma. Here, I've opened a random design from the Figma community that's available for free. Inside Base44, you can only paste links of specific frames or sections and not the entire file. So, in Figma, you need to select the main frame that you want to import. You can see this is the main frame of the design, so I'll select it. Once selected, click on the Share button. A pop-up will appear. At the top, just click on Copy Link. Now go back to Base44, paste the copied link here, and click on Generate. At this point, Base44 starts building your app or website based on the design you provided from Figma. This process may take a little time depending on how complex your design is. On the left-hand side, you can see exactly what the AI is doing in real time. It analyzes the design, extracts layout structure, typography, colors, and other elements to recreate your design as a functional application. After a short wait, you'll see that your website is ready and it matches the design you imported from Figma. You can open it in full screen mode to preview everything properly. You'll notice that the layout, styling, and even interactions like hover animations are working smoothly. Now from here, you can continue building and customizing your project using all the features available in Base44. I've already created a detailed video explaining everything in depth, but I'll give you a quick overview here. On the left side, you'll find the chat section where you can give prompts to make further changes to your website using AI. Next, there's the Edit option, which allows you to select individual elements and modify them, either manually or with the help of AI. You also have the option to view and customize your website's theme from here. If you click here, you can switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views, and you'll see that the design is fully responsive across different devices. Then we have the dashboard, where you can manage settings like analytics, domains, integrations, security, and more. You can explore these options on your own or check out the detailed tutorial linked in the description. There's also a code section where you can view all the code files generated for your project. From here, you can even switch to user mode to test your website as an end user. You also have the option to connect with GitHub to sync your code. And finally, there's the Publish button, which allows you to launch your website or app once everything is ready. So, this was everything about how you can import your Figma designs into Base44 and turn them into a fully functional project. If you want a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to build a website using Base44, then you can check out this video right here. If you liked this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.